So as we're in a deck season, one of the things people ask is, it's a little bit of it's true, but it's a little bit of a misnomer. People say, well, I want to go with composite decking, but like, I heard it's just too hot. And so whether it's my dog or my feet, it's just too hot versus like wood decking. It is true that composite decking gets warmer than wood decking. And the reality though is your wood deck can get up to 125 degrees, which is way too hot for your dog's paws or way too hot for your feet. Composite can get to like 140, but like 125 is still way too hot. The reality is both those products do not offer a great solution if you want to be outside in peak heat. They're just not, it's too hot for anyone. You could fry an egg on a wood deck or a composite deck. And so composite decks do get warmer, but the reality is whether it's composite or it's a wood deck, it's both far too hot for you to stand on long-term in the summer anyway. It's probably fair to say darker colors get a little bit hotter, but the reality is like, if it's gonna be 110 degrees, whatever deck material you put on is gonna be too hot. It's gonna be too hot on wood, it's gonna be too hot on composite, it's gonna be too hot on PVC. At that point, it doesn't really matter what you're doing. It's just not the great solution to be standing barefoot or like bare paw in 110 degrees on your deck. They're all gonna be too hot. If you wanna make sure that you could be on your deck barefoot or you can enjoy it outside and your dog can as well, you probably want to look at either a screened-in porch or some kind of open pergola covering to help protect that flooring. So it is way more common for us. We're getting a lot of requests to basically do pergolas or like steel structures that look beautiful, they're low maintenance, and then they provide that shade. But really, if the sun is beating down on that deck flooring, it's gonna be too hot, you're gonna have problems, which is why it's very common for people to do a deck covering nowadays.